Are you struggling to find space for your model railway? Well, here's how you can put one on a shelf. So first of all, I've cut this piece of board to 2.5 feet long and 1 foot wide. So this is the track we're going to be using today. Most of it's standard Hornby stuff. So let's get going. So that's the track work done. So I'm going to move on to the electronics and wiring, which is quite simple. So the next job is wiring. So we've got these 4 wires here that are connected to fish plates. It's my preferred way of connecting the power to the track. Right, so because we need 2 feeds for the track to be electrified, we need to use a connector block, and what that does is it connects the power from the controller to both the feeds rather than just one. As you can see, I've already done the red wires and I'm about to do the blue wires. Now I'll do this on camera so that you can see how to do it. So first of all, we need to cut some more blue wire to join together each of the other wires that either go to the controller or to the track. So there are the 2 pieces. I need to strip them. Now I don't have a proper pair of wire strippers, so I just use a craft knife. So if you cut a little bit, you find where the wire's gone through, and then you give it a little tug. Probably not the best way of doing it, but easiest. And then you twizzle the wire around so that all the threads stay together. You do the same with the other side. So now I can put this one in. So it goes between 2 bits of the connector block. It goes, and then with a small screwdriver, I'm using an absolutely small one, tiny one. Anyway, just go straight in. And you need to remember, I only want to do this on half because I need to put another wire in so that they connect. So as we do the other one, oh, that came off. Does happen if you're not careful. So pulling it, that came off. Put it on the inside. Off it comes. So put that one in as well. So just screw them in. So now we can put on the other side the wires that go to the track and the controller. So here's one of the wires that goes to one of the fish plates. Put it in the, sorry about that. Put it in the other side. Quite hard to hold this. There we go. I'm sorry if you can't see this because my hand's probably in the way, but yeah. So that's in, and then the other fish plate. So the next job is to connect up the fish plates to the track. So I've got 2 pieces here. I've got the other 2 fish plates, which are on the end of the connector block. So we're just going to put them in. So blue going to the back for that one, and red going to the front. Now, if you get these wrong, you can just take them. Off, and if the logo doesn't run when you finally start running one, you might want to check that the polarity is correct, and that all your feeds have the right polarity. So that's the 2 feeds done. So now need to drill some holes for the wires to go through. So I'm happy with where the track is. So I'm going to mark out where the wire holes need to be. So I know where to drill the holes. Obviously I'll take the track off when I'm drilling. You want to be as accurate with this as possible, because what you don't want is too much visible wire. So let's take the track off. Now you want, in terms of drill bits, you want a pretty small drill bit. So I'm going to use in here a 2mm drill bit. That should give us a nice small hole. Right, so with our holes marked out, we can get going. So all the holes are drilled, and I've threaded through the wires, as you can see, just there and there. So yep, the next job is to pin down the track. I'll do this off camera because it's quite loud. Okay, see you in a minute. So I've pinned down the track. So all I need to do now is connect the wires up to the controller, and then we'll see if it works. So everybody, I tidied up the wires around the back, and I've connected it to an old twin track controller. Obviously I'll only be using one track, but anyway. So I've got a Railroad 3F set up. So we're going to see if it runs first time. Here we go. There you go, folks. It runs. A bit jumpy, but it does run. There. Just check all of the. So everybody, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, then please leave a like. Feel free to subscribe and leave a comment. But for now, it's goodbye. I'll see you in the next video, which should be part 2 of this, creating the scenery. See you then.